Alright, YouTubers, sitting in class today, Saturday class, 8-hour class, which honestly I think is like the most pointless thing in the world. We're learning how to discover ourselves and manage ourselves and stuff. You see his bags under my eyes? That's that class. Besides that, one of the things they're trying to refer to something about how you need to adapt. You can't change no one but yourself, which is true. Oh, shoot, don't need a college course for that, but it's true. But they were using a reference to men leaving the toilet seats up. As to, you know, the lady was saying you can't change him. He's going to leave the toilet seat up, but you can adapt to it or whatever. So I kind of, you know, stepped in and said, what about the women who leave the toilet seats down? How, you know, what about that? I got to touch that nasty toilet seat. I got to put my fingers in a place where pee might hit and where people put their butts and lift it up for me to go pee. So one lady says, oh, a bunch of times I went to the bathroom, I fell right in. How is it a man's fault that before you sat down on a toilet, you didn't check to make sure that there was a seat underneath your butt? I don't get it. So I said in response to that, well, so if I pee on a toilet seat, that would be your fault then, because you didn't put the toilet seat up, right? You know, if you fell through because I left it up, I pee on it because you left it down, so we can just blame each other all day. So it didn't go so well. So I was kind of wondering on that subject what you guys think. Reggie had a little something he wants to say about it, so there we go. What do you think about it?
Women who say that are either bitches or idiots, okay? It's just that simple. You know, look where you're going before you put your ass down or whatever. I mean, are you that stupid that you expect men to bow down to you in every aspect of human life? It's just ridiculous. Feminism should be about equality for both men and women, not, okay, equality in some areas, but, you know, you should cater to me in other areas. So it's just completely ridiculous. I went through that in college, you know, when women were complaining about certain characters. Like, oh, well, it's the man's fault, whatever. It's just a bunch of nonsense. Anyway.
There you go. So I guess we shouldn't pay the house notes, car notes, and everything else. But I want to hear what you guys think. Have you had troubles, if you guys in relationships or at home, whatever, had a toilet seat issue? With my ex-wife, well, soon-to-be ex-wife, I had the issue. I usually do put the toilet seat down because I was raised, I was common courtesy. So me saying it wasn't coming from, you know, me saying, what about, you know, why don't women leave the toilet seat down? Or up? Why don't they leave it up? Because, you know, they know we have to pee too. Is it coming from because I leave the toilet seat down? Or up? Leave it up. I do put it down. But that's just, it's programmed in me to do that. But at the same time, you know, how is it that we have to put it down for them, but they can't put it up for us? So tell me what you guys think. I don't know, this is a quick subject. I'm not a sexist, so I'm a male chauvinist pig. Love women. Alright, bye.